Welcome to the channel. What do we have here? We have a HP Chromebook 14a-NF000NR. Okay, we want to put a window on it, so we are switching into the developer mode. As you can see, you have to disable your battery. Okay, those processes, when you have a system that is a type C, any system that is a type C, you have to disable the battery to disable the protection right. Okay, we are in the developer mode. Let's type in. This is the Chrome I was telling about, that I will do a video on it, on how to install Windows on it. I'll show you the another method that you have to use to install Windows. If you want to use the other method which I've been showing you, it will not work. Alright, so this is a new method, and it's a new update. And maybe some people may have known about it, but for those that doesn't know about it, doesn't know how to, if you have a Chrome like this, on this OS Chrome, if you have this OS Chrome and you want to put Windows on it, this is the way you can do it. Okay, after we have put in our email, we'll get to the desktop. From there, I'm going to show you what you need to do to get it done. Alright, then if you are watching my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to the channel, follow me up for more videos like this, and do well to follow me up. Thank you. Next, okay, we have to let's go to our website, Mr. Chromebook. Alright, we go to where we get our code, firmware utility. Alright, that is our code. Now the next step, let me show you something. Okay, we type control, we hold control alt forward key. Alright, so then we type in root, then chromeos/dev, set dev password by setting our password. Okay, that's the code you need to set password. Okay, then you type admin. It will not show admin again. You type it acknowledging. Alright, so we are done typing that. Okay, let's copy our code from, we have copied it already. Alright, so in this shell, putting in the code, see what it says. I know many people have shown me this. I did not have a solution to this problem. Okay, and I told them I did not have solution, but now there is a solution to it. So this is good news. So what we have to use is VT2 shell, which is where we just went and create our root password. That's the place you are going to use to put your code. It's going to work there. Okay, now I've created a password. Alright, what you need to type in this login, let me view it very well. Login, you have to type chromeos. Okay, chromeos, then you put in the password that you created, which is admin, then it gives you this. Then what you need to do next is to type in your code. You type in your code. Okay, you can't, and one thing about this method, you cannot copy. See, let me just try and see. You cannot copy this code and paste it there. That's the thing about this method. You have to type it. You try everything, Ctrl V, it doesn't paste. So I have to type it. Now, if one mistake is made on one typing, the code doesn't run. Okay. So let me type it. Start Chrome box. So what you have to do, you have to maybe write your code out, or you type it on your phone and copy it out. Okay, you can do both. Anyone that is suitable for you, you can do it, because yeah, it's not easy when you type it, or if you can memorize it, the code is okay. or the command, anyone is called, is the same thing. Alright, so let's keep on typing, see if there's a mistake. Okay, let's keep on typing. One thing about this method is this VT/2 terminal, even in the other terminal which you use Control Alt T to access, if you are using a Chrome that accepts just that part, you can also use this VT/2 shell to do it and it still work. And the password is not actually necessary. You see, I'm making mistakes here. I think I have to check where my mistake is coming in. Let me go back and check if I missed a word or I mistyped it. If your letters are in big capital and small letter, it doesn't work. Okay, let me adjust this camera. If you do that, it doesn't work. You should know that it doesn't work. That if your letter, for assuming you have there a capital letter and you put in a small letter, the code will not run. So you must type exactly the way it is. Okay, you must type exactly the way it is for it to run. So I was saying that the VT/2 shell, which terminal point, it also works on, you can check it out if you have a Chrome that access the first terminal. You can also check if the code will run on the second, which is the VT/2. You can also check there if it will run, or I'm assuring you that it will run. Okay, so I've done it like 10 times. It's not still working. It's not still working. Let's check again. There's an error somewhere. There's an error somewhere. I'm making the mistake. There's one thing about the net method I don't like. You type and you miss some words. Okay, it's running now. It's running now. You type in our password, admin. Okay, actually it's not necessary for you to create this password if you are using this terminal. It's not necessary for creating it. Okay, so we press to Y, then we accept. We type in accept, I accept. Okay, after this, what we have to do again, we have to back up from our firmware, which is our Chrome OS firmware. We have to back it up with a flash drive. After backing it up, then we have to load in the new firmware. Here we have our flash. Plug it. Okay. Let's enter. Here's the new flash. This is the flash. We type in 1 as usual. Enter. Okay. That's backed up. Now it's installing the new firmware. It's going to take a while, up to 30 seconds, depending on how your network is good. Okay, if you have a good network, it runs faster. If your network is very good, you don't have to waste much time. It takes you faster and you are done. Okay, so after this, we have to restart the system. Then we load in our OS. Okay, I'm going to do a video to show you how to load in your Linux, which is your Ubuntu software on Chromebooks. I'm going to do that video. It's coming in this month. It's coming in this month. Watch out for my channel for that video. Okay, as I said, please also you do all to subscribe to the channel and follow me up for more videos like this. Okay, now you can see we're almost done here. Now this is our flash, so we have to plug in our flash. Then this Chromebook has a storage drive of 64 gig. So you can put in normal Windows 10, or you can also run in your Windows 10 Lite. Anyone you wish to run is going to run. Then Windows 11 we need you to bypass before it will run. Okay, I'm still going to do a video on Windows 11, but not today, not on this. Be next when I have another Chromebook and the client says that he wants a Windows 11. I'm going to do that video for you guys. Okay, so we can see it's running, and we have to delete all the SSD storage device. We have to delete them, format it. After formatting, we install. Okay, here I want to plug in my wireless mouse. Okay, doesn't have ports for USB, so I'm using a Type-C converter to do that. Okay, so that I can navigate with the mouse. So after we are done doing this, it gets to the desktop. I'm going to still drop in the drivers for this Chromebook HP 14a. I don't have the drivers for the sound, but I have other drivers. They are going to be available on my YouTube channel on the link of the video, and when you check the description of the video, you will see it's there. Alright, if this video is helpful, please, as I said, please do well to subscribe. Follow me up for more. We have more things to show you, more tips to show you on how to use your laptops. Okay, and soon we'll be doing live video, but for now we don't have the resources for it, so we are still making provisions for that. So we'll be doing daily videos for you, maybe a live video on how to fix a section of maybe a motherboard or a Chromebook or a projector, because those are the areas we deal on. Alright, we also do sales on laptops. We sell laptops. If you watch my short videos, there you'll be seeing laptops I have for sale. I have low budget, I have high grade systems. I'll be doing much video as I can. It's just the time to take time to do videos for you guys. Yeah, I'll be doing it. I'll pray and have that commission to be doing it. Okay, I'm going to only show you how to install the mouse. Okay, other drivers I'm still going to drop it, like the mouse drivers. I'm going to drop it for you guys. I don't have the speaker driver, as I said. Okay, let's insert my drivers store. Okay, I'm only going to install the mouse drivers. That's what I have for now. Okay, you install this application first. After installing it first, then you run in your mouse drivers. Okay, as the next one. Alright, so you select this one, you remove all those other ones, and you select that one I just selected to work on this system. Okay, if you're installing it, just make sure you check that. Okay, we are done here. Alright, thank you so much for watching till now. Alright, I'll see you next in my next video. Take care of yourself.